Welcome to the Digidaar exposition space. This virtual space has been created as a mutual endeavor of VOOM and Amsab. There are three main parts of this virtual space: permanent exhibition, temporary exhibition, and video room. Explore the Digidaar exposition space on your own and share your experience with us.
What's required to join? Just a computer with a camera and a microphone. We recommend Google Chrome for a smooth connection. For the best experience, headphones are advised. And that's all, no installation necessary. Just click a link to enter the world of Digidaar.
In this unique environment, we are using a 3D platform in which you can walk around a virtual map using an avatar. You can move around using the arrow keys and look around with your mouse.
What should you do if something isn't working? You can try refreshing the page to solve most problems. If that didn't work, you can try turning your microphone and camera off and on again. Finally, turn off all your cookie blocking features if problems persist.
So that's it. We hope you enjoy the exhibition space, create meaningful connections, and learn more about the activities of VOOM. In case you need any help, reach out to Dia or Fadi. Thank you and see you there.